Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Lacerte tax files for ProSeries comparison step by step clearly. Open Lacerte tax software on your computer. Navigate to the main menu located at the top of the interface. Click on File. From the drop-down options, select Backup. Choose the location where you want to save the backup file. Ensure you have enough space in the selected location. Name your backup file appropriately for easy identification. Click the Save button to initiate the backup process. Wait for the software to complete the backup. Once complete, you will see a confirmation message. Open ProSeries tax software. Navigate to the area where you can restore files. Look for an option labeled Restore. Click on it and then choose from Lacerte. Browse to the location where you saved your Lacerte. Select the backup file you just created. Click the Open button to begin the restoration. Confirm any prompts that may appear during the process. Wait for the restoration process to finish. Once completed, you will see your Lacerte files available in ProSeries. Review the files to ensure everything has been transferred correctly. You are now ready to work in ProSeries with Lacerte data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.